So this is just a recap from today's live stream. And today we picked up 115, 189. Our equity is back to new highs. And it's important now that let's just have a look. I think it was live stream 126 or 125. I'm just going to confirm that and then begin this recap here. It was a fairly successful day. We only traded two instruments, and with the two instruments, so it was live stream 126. The only two instruments we traded was NQ and ES. RTY had a horrible chart. We had this very deep pullback, so it wasn't great. YM wasn't enough volatility, also looked choppy. Gold, it came into the market through here. We saw most of the move that's happened through Europe here on gold, so we thought it might be similar to yesterday where we'll just chop around a fair bit. So we targeted the NQ and ES. So the original trade from the open, it was still in play because even though the market pulled back, came close to being stopped out where the original stop was. And what I mean by that is with the trades and the current system I'm using, we have designated targets and stops. It's about 1-to-1. And price didn't come down and hit the stop, so therefore the trade was still valid. I did get in a bit later than ideal, but I got thinking whether I should or not, especially with the market chopping, especially what I saw on RTY. Decided to get in, slightly better price than original. So I got in, the target was up at 620, was that 626? I'm not sure why I've got 615. Oh, this is from yesterday. 615.50, that was yesterday's target. So the target was up at 626. Now, I have to recap both the ES and NQ at the same time because I used both of them to play against one another. I was looking at the correlation between the two. So I was in the trade, and at the time, we were looking at the previous day's high around that 602.50. And what I saw was price was breaking out of there. And with this large candle that I also saw a fairly large candle here on ES. What I did was I decided the market would likely pull back from the large candle. So what I'll do is take profit, wait for a pullback to get back in to target the original targets of 577 here on ES and 626 on NQ. So what I did was I took profits, placed an order to get back in at the 602.50s, and I was using NQ as the lead. I was using NQ as a lead instrument here. So what I did was place the order there at 602.50s because that was a previous day's high. Thought prices would come back and retest that level, and once triggered, I would also manually enter long on ES. So that's exactly what I did. Entered manually long on ES when the NQ order was triggered. And not very long after, we hit the target of 77. NQ took a fair bit longer to get to its target, but it eventually did get to the target at 626, after which I've decided to stop trading and end the trading day. So let's just have a look what happened here. So the first trade picked up 61250. Second trade, the re-entry off the 602.50s, we picked up, it's about 23,500 there on ES. The original first trade, again, was targeting 77. We picked up 27.5. On the second trade on the pullback, picked up 4375. So across all those trades, we've picked up 115.89. So we did pay a fair bit in commissions, but that's what it was. I suppose the trade performance isn't going to tell us much really on the trade performance because we didn't actually have any losing trades. What it's going to be is a very smooth equity curve, but we'll just bring it on. It's not even pretty smooth, it's pretty dramatic to the upside. So there we are. Here is our equity curve. Entry time, as we can see, due to our job, we couldn't be here at the open. So we actually got here around about 10:36 Eastern Standard Time. And these are our entry times, as we can see, all the way at 12:17, and there's our total P&L. So we decided to call it early today and not overtrade and give back profits. Just be happy to walk away with new equity highs and have a very good day in terms of the P&L relative to the volatility we're seeing in the market. So with that said, thanks for watching. Good luck trading and have a great day.